What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DOGECOIN. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we had this movement to the downside. We hit our support line that I marked previously. It is this bottom and this bottom. And from this point we went higher, and I've told you that we have two touches. If I switch to hourly time frame, you can see it more properly. Right here, as you can see, we had first touch of this resistance and we retested from the bottom again. And I've told you that if we break this resistance, it might become a support, and if we retest it from the top and with the good volume, we'll have a bounce. This will indicate that we are more bullish. But otherwise, if we will bounce from this resistance to the downside, most likely we will hit again this bottom. And as you can see, it happened. It happened as I predicted. We hit right here this range again as our support and bounced back to the upside. But despite of this huge volume, we didn't have enough steam to break this resistance and had another bounce to the downside. And right here, we broke this range to the lower point. And here we had our major support line that we shouldn't break, and we didn't close any of these candles below this range. This means it is a pretty much false breakout of this range, and this means we had a very good possibility to hit some higher targets. And if it is the real movement to the upside, we have to form another higher high and higher low, and this will lead us to potential new targets that I will define in several days. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. And let me show you that we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.66 trillion. It's up for 1.57% during last day. And we don't have much price action on Bitcoin's side, but Ethereum is on fire. It gained more than 8% during last 7 days period, and it surged for about 5% during last 24 hours. Very good achievement, and in my opinion, Ethereum is one of the leaders on the entire crypto market. And let me show you the DOGECOIN price action. For now, it has a total market cap of $28.42 billion. It's down for 1.53%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $1.86 billion. It's also down for about 2.73%. Again, some kind of consolidation phase during the last several hours. And let me show you the news, the recent news that might drive the price of DOGECOIN higher. On coindesk.com, we have this article that was published on November the 30th, and it's titled "For Sale $10 Million Yacht. Doge accepted." And here is this beautiful ship. As you can see, it is 170 feet super yacht. And let me quote you this. The owners of Italian-built VN said in a statement Monday that prospective buyers will be able to buy the vessel with Bitcoin, Ether, DOGECOIN, as well as SOL, FTM, BNB, or top-tier non-fungible tokens from the CryptoPunk or Bored Ape Yacht Club collections. That said, a 10% fiat deposit is required. So, very good news, because a lot of people in the yacht world do not have a huge exposure on the crypto market, and this statement and this listing might gain more people into the crypto world, and these people have a huge amount of money because they own yachts. So, and this news, even if they won't sell this yacht with DOGECOIN, will impact the entire crypto industry and the Doge in particular. And let me show you this article. We are on fxstreet.com, and this article was published on November the 30th, and it's titled "DOGECOIN price could see 400% gains if Doge holders band together." And let me quote you these bullets. DOGECOIN price is moving sideways after a breakout from a descending triangle pattern. A potential 400% move to $1.08 will face obstacles up to $0.35, beyond which Doge should rally swiftly. On-chain metrics are hinting at an increase in large transactions and paradigm shift in the nature of holders. And I want to show you this statement. On-chain metrics predict a bright future. Looking at the transaction data tells a story about the nature of investors. Large transaction track transfers that are $100,000 or more. An increase in this metric serves as a proxy of institutions and their investment thesis. Over the past 6 months, the number of such transactions has increased by 70.7% from 1,570 to 2,680. This uptick in the metrics suggests that high net worth investors are starting to take interest in Doge at the current price levels. And I completely agree with this statement, because the lower the price goes, and when we have some interest from huge investors, huge smart money pockets, we might see this accumulation phase, and this means in a matter of several weeks to months we will see a huge upside movement. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if I switch to weekly time frame, let me show you that I drew this pattern on my previous video, and it was a symmetrical triangle, and I've told you that we have to break this triangle with the huge conviction of volume. In this case, we will confirm the trend of this breakout, and as you can see, we broke this support line, but we broke it with the lack of volume. This means I cannot count on this breakout as a real breakout, because we don't have enough volume, and the lack of volume means that we don't have confirmation of this breakout. This means this pattern basically invalidated, and we have some kind of support line right here at this range. If I mark it like this, at around 19.7 cents, and this range, in my opinion, should hold for several weeks at least, in order to retest this sloping line, in order to retest this resistance, and we have to break it to the upside. So, and let's switch to 4 hours time frame again. And as you can see, as I already mentioned, we don't have any candles that are below this support line, and on top of that, on 4 hours time frame, we have very powerful candle that is called hammer candle, and this candle usually shows us the potential trend reversal, and as you can see, it happened. From this point we went higher with the good volume right here. As you can see, we broke with this movement this resistance, and on top of that we broke the 55 exponential moving average as well, and right here it was a very good resistance from the mid of November, and we had multiple attempts to break it, but we broke it just recently, and that's why, in my opinion, we have more chances to hit some higher targets. So what should you do if you want to invest in Dogecoin? In my opinion, for now it is quite good accumulation points, because we broke we have this range as our support at around $19.3 price point, and we broke this resistance, and pretty much we are hovering above this range. This means your downside potential might be not more than 12% to break this support line, but upside potential might be massive. And first of all, we have to break all the resistances that are above our current level, and they are at about 10%. Next one might be right here at about 38% of potential profits, and next one at about 58% of potential profits. So you can have about 12% of downside potential with about 60% of upside potential. Very good risk to reward ratio, and this means you can cautiously accumulate your position right here at about 20 cents price point if you want to hit some higher targets, because the market overall is quite bullish for now, and we might go even higher with our Ethereum and Bitcoin prices, and this means the entire crypto industry might skyrocket, and this leads to potentially very high profits with Dogecoin, and that's why we can start to accumulate the position right here. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.